How to permanently delete photos on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. On this page, select the photo that you want to delete from here. Then, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the delete icon as shown. Tap on Delete Photo to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this photo. Now, scroll down to the Utilities section and go to Recently Deleted. You will find the photo you just deleted over here. Open the photo again. Then, tap on the Delete button below. Tap on Delete from this iPhone to confirm. This will permanently delete this photo and cannot be undone. You can repeat this to permanently delete other photos from your phone as well. Following these steps, you can permanently delete photos on iPhone.